you keep your head to the sky, you can win. As long as you keep your head to the sky, you can win. I know we've been through too many sorrows, all back scarred like the boa tree. We all suffer from PTSD, post-traumatic slave disorder. Got us hating on the gold, melanin, and weed. We gotta overcome this shame so we can break through and obtain. The riches are forever inside me. Yo, you gotta grab a hold of your life. Hold on, or a change is coming. One day the African rainfalls will have you humming. As long as you keep your head to the sky, look, you can win. You gotta stand up. Stand up for your rights. You gotta stand up for your rights. You got to believe that you will succeed. You got to recognize the God in your life. Embrace all your dreams and catch them alive. As long as you keep your mind to the sky, you can win. As long as you keep your heart to the sky, you can win. As long as you keep your head to the sky. Let's call Sounds of Blackness. Alright. This next poem is like a little remix. It's called National Anthem.